Welcome to this tutorial video on how to do blanket stitch, a great little decorative stitch often used to edge fabrics. I've folded my piece of white fabric in half so we've got a nice thick and finished edge to work with. This is a slightly harder stitch, so we've got a reluctant mouse. Give me my thread, and I'm using again a black thread with a knot tied in the end just so that it's easy for you to see. So we start off by going in through the back of the fabric and we're going to create a securing stitch. So to do that we create a loop. Normally I keep these stitches at about 5 millimeters from the edge and about 5 millimeters apart. And then once you've made that loop, pass your needle underneath it. That's not a true blanket stitch, that's just a securing stitch, but it gives us a good start. So 5 millimeters normally, I'd move across and then pass the thread behind. So I'm going in through the front, out through the back, thread behind, pull your needle through, and there's your first blanket stitch. And again, keep it even, same distance across, whatever that is for you. Same distance from the edge of the fabric, keep it parallel, pull that stitch through. And there we go, keep it nice and even. So in through the front of the fabric, out to the back, push it up, thread behind, a bit like knitting, pass your wool behind. And of course wool is often used for blanket stitch. And I'm going to do one more for you. In from the front, push it up to the top, thread round the back behind, and pull your stitch through. And that's blanket stitch. Nice even row, nice and parallel with the edge, and a beautiful decorative stitch. That concludes our tutorial video. I hope it's been helpful. If it has, please subscribe to the channel, give us some feedback and a like. There are more videos coming soon.